Hello, here's a quick video to show you what to do if you have flanged your Mag5100 flow sensor in the wrong way round and you're seeing negative flows on the display when you're expecting positive flows. We can fix this with a quick change to the settings. So to go into the settings, we press and hold the top left button till we're asked for the password. We press the bottom left button twice to change that leading 0 to a 1. And when it's a 1, we press the bottom right key to enter in. We should now see setup mode and it will jump to basic settings. We're going to press the bottom right again to jump into the basic settings till we see mains frequency. Then we'll press the top middle button to where we see flow direction. And to change the flow direction, we press the bottom left button once and then twice, and we should see negative. Now, press the padlock key on that one, and that's saved, and we can press the top left to go back into the measurement mode. Press that 2 times, back in measurement mode. Now if you've run your pumps, you should see a positive flow instead of a negative. Thank you.